Hello friends, my name is Ritraj and today I'm going to do the second part of the chapter La Famille, and I guess let's get started. First exercise in this part is À toi de compléter comme dans l'exemple. Exemple, j'habite à Delhi, je m'appelle Divya. That is, I live in Delhi, my name is Divya, or I call myself Divya. Second example, tu habites à Lahore, Lahore, tu t'appelles Mansoor. You live in Lahore and your name is Mansoor, or you call yourself Mansoor. Vous habitez à Kanpur. I have filled here Kanpur. You can fill any example that you like or whatever the place. Then il habite à Paris. He lives in Paris. Elle habite à New York. She lives in New York. So they have given this exercise so that we can learn about the conjugation of the verb habiter. So they have conjugated the verb habiter with different pronouns like j'habite with the je, tu habites, vous habitez, il habite, elle habite. So we have to learn these conjugations if we want to do the conjugations, and the conjugation, the more the conjugation we will do and practice, we'll learn more. So I'll recommend that you do this conjugation in a blank paper by yourself so that you can learn this. Then they have given here also the conjugation of the verb parler, that is to speak. That I also said that we'll do the conjugation of this verb. So je parle, tu parles, elle parle, nous parlons, vous parlez, elle parle. So again, if we look at the pattern here, the pronunciation of this je parle, tu parles, elle parle, and elle parle, these four have same pronunciation but different spellings. And nous parlons and vous parlez. So nous always, not always, but most of the time use this ending on, and the vous uses most of the time the ending ez, that is a. So do this conjugation and learn these conjugations if you want to write the perfect French, or you want to speak perfect French. So it is necessary, I guess. Now for the habite verb they have only given till l, so means they have given till here il l. They haven't given the nous and il l, but this is again would be same, nous habitons and il elle habite. So this way you have learned today two conjugations. I also posted a video regarding conjugation and vocab till the 7th page, and also post the vocab of this much, the pages that I'm going to do in this part, so that you can see it, and it would be helpful for you when you'll read yourself. Now we'll learn the alphabet. J'étudie l'alphabet, that is I study the alphabet. J'étudie l'alphabet. Écouter et répéter means listen and repeat. So let's get started. A, B, C, D, E, F, J, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. So here we have to remember that this is pronounced as J, and this is pronounced as G. So that is different, because in English we pronounce it G and this J. And also there is a difference in the pronunciation of this J sound. J is different and J is different. So it would be better if you learn the pronunciation of this alphabet, so that your pronunciation be better. So I'll do this again. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Okay, now we have learned the alphabet. Now we'll do the other exercise. Maintenant, appelle ton prénom et ton nom. Maintenant is now. Spell your first name and your surname. Now you have to spell your name using this alphabet that we have done. So for example, my name is Rituraj, so it would be R I T U U R A and then G, and sorry, G, it's J. I myself get confused with this J and G. So now, joue de loto, that is play the lottery. À partir de la fiche donnée ci-dessus, prépare ton ticket de loterie. So it is saying, from the sheet, that is this sheet given below, prepare your lottery ticket, ticket de loto, that is prepare your ticket de loto, lottery ticket, au moins 15 chiffres, in less than 15 figures or numbers. Échange-le avec une camarade et jouer, means exchange this number and play with your classmate. So here basically they are trying us to learn the numbers in French, and this way you have to make a lottery ticket so that you can learn the numbers by playing. So we're just simply gonna skip this part, or I will recommend that you do this by yourself. And here I'm gonna make you learn this numbers. Okay, so let's get started. So first is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is from 0 to 10. From 0 to 10, this is basic and primary numbers, that primary in the sense that you have to learn these, and using these numbers we can make other numbers. So it's different till this says. Till says it is all different numbers that we have to learn. After that it's the set, that is 10 plus 7. I also posted a video of numbers, you can watch there if you are having any difficulty over here, because here I'm just gonna give you a review or a short intro over here. So just bear with me again. So we have done till 10. Now 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So till here we're gonna do it again, and I will recommend that you do, after this video you'll do again and learn it, because it's not gonna go in your mind in a go or in one time. So you have to do it or repeat 1 or 3 times. So 0, as this is also in English 0, it's 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Now 17, that is 10 plus 7, 17, 18, 19, that is 10 and 9, 19, then 20, that is 20. Now from 21, whenever we start the 21 or 31, we put this a, that is and, that is 20 and 1. 21, 22, then it will go like this: 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6, 1, 7, 1, 8, 1, 9, and then 30. Then again 31, 32, 33 till 40. Then again 41, 42, 43, 44 till 50. Then again, then 60, then 70. Till 60 it's simple as we do in English, but in French, from 70 it is a composite form. It doesn't have any individual word or any unique word for 70, but it is a mix of 60 plus 10, that is 70. So from there we'll again do like 71, 72, 73, 74, 15 till 79, and then 80. 80 is 4 times 20. 80, that is 80. 4 into 20. 80. Again, this is different. They have a composite form instead of having a unique word for 80. Then 81. Again, we'll do with that is from here. 80, 81, 82 till 90, 91, 92, 93 till 100. So this way, this is the review, or this is the basic format of the French numbers, and you have to do it again and again if you want to learn it, because of course it is not easy to get this all format in a single time. So I will recommend that you pause the video and do your revision so that you can understand it better. So now we'll move forward. Now it's Danny Martin reçoit des amis. Dennis Martin is receiving his or welcoming his friends. There is indefinite article for some, or as we have in English a, and the. So in French there is also a plural form, plural article, and that we can translate as roughly as some friends. We'll do the articles in another video, but here I'm gonna read the text. Okay, now avant le cours, that is before the class. So you can see this is Danny Martin, I guess, and these are his friends. Danny: je vous présente mon père et ma mère. Mes autres invités sont en retard. That is, I introduce you, my father and my mother. Mes autres invités, my other invitees, are late. En retard, that is, are late. Voici Catherine, that is, here is Catherine. Son père est avocat. Her father is advocate. Now this is an interesting thing. In English we have her for female and his for male, but in French what happens, here it depends upon what is the person, whatever the person we are talking about. The article, that would have the, So it depends upon the object we are talking about, that is père. Père is masculine, so the possessive pronoun here is son, and it would translate it into her. And it doesn't matter if the subject is male or female, it depends upon the object, that is père here is male, so son père est avocat, her father is advocate. Sa mère est secrétaire, her mother is secretary. Et ses cousins and her cousins, say is here the plural form or plural possessive form of her, so her cousin, sont encore étudiants, so her cousin are still, encore still, students, étudiants. Où est, then Ali, où est ta sœur et ton cousin Pierre? Where is your sister and your cousin Pierre? Tes grands-parents and your grandparents. So this much is simple, and as I have already covered this vocab in the vocab video, that sœur is sister, grand-père, parent is grandparents, it is same as in English, and cousin of course cousin. Now we'll do this exercise. Dis vrai ou faux. Say right or wrong. Le père de Denis est médecin. As we have done in the relation chart, so we know that Denis' father is not médecin, so it's false, that is faux. Ali est un ami de Denis. C'est vrai, because we are talking about the friends of Denis in this chapter. So we have done that Ali here is our person which is friend of Denis Martin. Now les cousins, la mère de Denis est secrétaire. That is again false, because it was the Catherine. Sa mère est secrétaire, because Denis' mother was is architect, that we have done earlier in the 7th page. Now les cousins de Denis travaillent. The cousins of Denis work. No, they don't work, they are still students. Le cousin de Denis s'appelle Paul. This is again false. His cousin is Pierre. Now we'll look at here. Now observe la différence. Now before doing this, we'll do the articles. Les articles définis and indéfinis, that is definite article and indefinite article. Now masculine, feminine and plural. So for definite masculine we use le, for definite feminine we use la, and for definite plural we use les, like le chien, la table and les livres. So in plural doesn't matter whether it's feminine or masculine, for all we use les. Now indéfini we use for masculine un, for feminine une, and for plural they. As I've said already that there is also an indefinite plural article in French, that is they. And whenever there is a vowel that is succeeded by these articles, le, la, le, the another word has vowels, we remove a, and we put the apostrophe and then write the whatever the word is. Now we look at this exercise and we will observe the difference. Now c'est un chien, that is it is a dog. C'est un chien. C'est le chien d'Akanksha. It is the dog of Akanksha. So first we are noticing that there is a that it is a dog, and now here we are talking about that this dog, c'est le chien d'Akanksha, it is the dog of Akanksha. So as we have already mentioned the chien, so when it wasn't familiar for us, we said un chien, but now it is familiar to us, so we use the definite article, that this is that dog that is of Akanksha. C'est un enfant, c'est l'enfant de Colette. It is a child, c'est un enfant, c'est l'enfant de Colette. It is the child of Colette. C'est une table. Now it is, table is a feminine word, so we have used the article une. Chien et enfant, these are masculine words, so we have used the article un. And so is the definite article le, and here as enfant starts with the vowel, we have removed the e of le and we have put an apostrophe. Now c'est une table, c'est la table de Madame Lefebvre. It is the table of Madame Lefebvre. Now ce sont des livres, that is, these are some books. Ce sont des livres, these are some books. Ce sont les livres d'Ali, these are the books of Ali. So again we have since this word is plural, that is books, so we have used the indefinite article they, and here we have used the definite article le, because these are the books of Ali, the books of Ali. Now ce sont des chaises, these are some chairs. Ce sont les chaises d'Ali et de Narki. So these are some chairs, these are the chairs of Ali and Nargis. So this way we have done this articles in French, that is, there are definite articles and indefinite articles. Definite articles are le, la and les, and indefinite are un, une, des. Le and un is for masculine, la and une for feminine, les and they for plural. Now we'll do the next exercise. Je révise ce que je viens d'apprendre. That is, I'll review or I review what I just learned. Ce que je viens. We'll do the conjugation of je viens de in later chapter that they have given, but here it just simply means I just. Je viens de means I just. D'apprendre, learned. Now à toi. It's your turn. Complète avec un, une, des, le, la, les, comme dans l'exemple. Now we have to complete this exercise with un, une, des, le, la, les, as we have done in this example. C'est un portable. C'est le portable de Sylvie. It is a mobile phone. Portable. C'est le portable de Sylvie. It is the phone of Sylvie. Now first, c'est une chambre. C'est la chambre de Nicole. It is a room. It is the room of Nicole. You have to learn the article for all the words, whether they are feminine word or whether they are masculine words, and according to that you have to use the articles here. So chambre is a feminine word, so I have used the article une, and here now I have used the definite article la. Now c'est un dictionnaire. C'est le dictionnaire de Nikita. It is a dictionary. It is the dictionary of Nikita. C'est une voiture. C'est la voiture d'Alok. It is a car. It is the car of Alok. Ce sont des crayons. Ce sont les crayons de Sarah. So these are the crayons, or here crayons means I guess pencils. Ce sont les crayons de Sarah. These are the pencils of Sarah. Ce sont des sacs. These are the bags. Sorry, these are some bags. These are the bags of Helen. Sac d'Hélène. C'est une étudiante. C'est l'étudiante de Madame Lucienne. It is a student. a female student, étudiante. C'est la étudiante. It is the student of Madame Lucienne. Now we'll conjugate the verbs that are given in the brackets, parenthèses. Conjuguer les verbes entre parenthèses. As I've told you, this H is not pronounced, so we say parenthèses, not parenthèses. Nous travaillons avec le professeur. Nous, as I've told you, it uses the ending on. So travaillons. J'écoute une chanson française sur Internet. So, I didn't explain this. We work with the professor. I hear a French song on Internet, sur Internet. Nicole voyage en Italie en mai. Nicole travel in Italy in May. So voyage is here means to travel, and since Nicole is a third person, so I've used the conjugation voyage, not voyageons or voyager, it's voyage. Nancy et Joe mangent une pizza. Nancy and Joe eat a pizza. So this is the, if we replace Nancy and Joe, we will replace with il, that is masculine they form. So il uses the mange form with the ending ent, as you may remember. Nous rangeons la chambre. We tidy up the room. Then, tu regardais un bon film à la télé. You watch a good film in the television. À la télé, that is in the television. So here they have given so many verbs, but I won't recommend you to do all the conjugations right now. First, I would recommend that you start with the important verbs like faire, avoir, être, parler, habiter, and also travailler is also important right now, and regarder and manger. But ranger, voyager, écouter, you can do later. But first start with these verbs, memorize it with your heart, and then moved on to these verbs. Because yeah, I know that you have to do because you may require, but for the starter I would recommend you do the important verbs, so that you will get the pattern how the verbs are conjugated. So this way you'll be able to do the conjugations easily. So this is it for now, and I would have to do a third part, that is 2 pages or more left. So just wait for my third part, and please don't forget to subscribe and like my video if you are enjoying my videos, and please don't forget to comment down below. Okay.